go.
We're starting off round 4, match 11. 2 notes up in that blue speaker. Looks like 3 up in the red. Some defense happening in the middle of the field. Teams bumping into each other, racing for those center notes. Bunch of notes stockpiled over on red. Red in the lead, coming out of autonomous, 36 to 26. 6 notes to 4. Cybercats futzing around over on the blue side, getting bumped into by Team Rush, slammed into the team hall, trying to grab a note from their red source. Hammerheads toss a note over to that blue amp. 503 looking to score 3 notes stockpiled right next to them. Rush feeding notes over to the empty red amp. Red's ready to amplify, so is blue as they add another into their amp. Red just needs notes to score. 54-36, playing some defense in the middle of the field, trying to prevent teams from getting from that red source. Red is amplified as 33 sends a note up. Make that 2. Red widening their lead, 53-23. Their amplification period ends as 503 sinks a note into the blue speaker, beginning theirs. 1 flying out of the field, way back near the projector. Rush still grabbing. 54-36, Cybercats trying to prevent them from getting back. But they launch. They're feeding. Their lead still 20 points on red to blue. 503 putting notes into that amp. Red is ready to amplify. Hammerheads racing over, launching a note over to Frog Force to put in their amp. Blue needs 1 note. They get it. Blue's ready to amplify. Red needs notes to score in their speaker, 36-56. A minute left in play. A note in by 33, and red is amplified. Make that 2. 503 sinks one in blue. Blue is amplified. They're trying to close that gap. 41-65, 45 seconds left in play. Rush grabs a note from that red source. Cybercats still trying to prevent them. Hammerheads, note after note after note from that blue source to the blue amp, feeding Frog Force. A bunch of notes sitting center field. They're free reign in that center wing for anyone to grab. Bees trying to take some, launching them over into their own area. 5 seconds until we begin our end game period. Red still in a 30 more point lead. 17 seconds in play. 21 notes on red, 13 notes on blue, 88-43. No robots going to climb at this time with 7 seconds left in play. Rush goes to climb. Red's amplified again with another note from 33 and another. We end match 11 with 1 robot in the air, 27. The rest scattered across the field. Your preliminary scores, 47 blue to 101 red. We've got our scores from match 11. Taking the lead and staying in the upper bracket is the Red Alliance. Alliance 1 with a score of 104 points, staying alive. Alliance 3 moving into that lower bracket. We'll see them in match 13.